So today we'll be doing yoga asanas for curing slip disc. Slip disc is nowadays very common among people due to a sedentary lifestyle, improper posture. So yoga plays a very vital role on curing any type of slip disc problems. Only care should be taken that you should never do any forward bending during slip disc. So we start the asanas for the slip disc. The first of the asana we will be doing is called Tada Asana or the tree pose. So you will be standing straight. Keep your body relaxed. Feet together. Now slowly bring the two hands to near your chest. Straighten your both the hands. Now slowly stretch up your whole body. Lift the leg up. Stretch up. Feel the stretch on the spinal cord. Stay there for some moments. Relax and slowly drop down your hand. This is called Tadasana. Very, very effective asana for your slip disc problem. Next we'll do the lying asana called Bhujanga Asana or Cobra pose. Lie down on your back, on your stomach. Straighten your hands. Now slowly bring the hands near your chest. Lift up your body up. Look up. Stay there for some moments. Slowly drop down your body. Straighten your hands and relax. Next we'll do the Bhujanga Asana variation. Put your hands behind your back, touching one fist on the other. Now slowly lift up your body up. You can lift up the hands and stay there. Don't give the jerk. Slowly drop down your body. Relax the hands. Remember, while doing this asana, you should not lift up your body with a jerk. Next asana we'll do Shalva Asana. Very, very effective asana. Shalva Asana. Now put your hands under your thighs. Make the fist. Chin on the floor. Now with the inhalation, lift up your right leg up slowly as far as possible. Don't lift up much high. Stay there. Drop down your legs. You will do with the other leg. Slowly lift the leg up. Chin on the floor. Slowly drop down and relax the hands. Next we'll do Sarpasana, giving a spinal twist. Hands straight, body straight. Bring the hands near the chest. Now slowly lift up your body up. Now move your head and slowly look to the heel. Make your elbow straight. Make your elbow straight. And now look to your heel. As far as possible. Slowly bring the heads forward. Drop down your body. While lifting up your body up, you should make your elbow straight. Now again lift your body up. Slowly up. Make the elbow straight. Now slowly bend your head. Look the heel. Slowly bring the head forward and drop down your body. It's called Sarpa Asana. Very, very effective for any type of back pain. Next, we'll do some asanas lying on the back. First of the asana, we'll do Pavan Mukta Asana or wind releasing pose. This is also very good for digestion. Lie straight, hands by the sides of the body. Now bend your right leg. Catch your right knee with both the hands. Now slowly push your knee down your abdomen. You should not lift your head up. Slowly release the pose and straighten your legs. Bend the other leg. Catch with both the hands the knees. Now press down your abdomen. Stay there for some moments. Slowly release the pose. It's called Pavan Muktasana. Very, very good for our digestion problems. Now we'll do some variations of a Pavan Muktasana series, which are specially designed for slip disc problem. Bend both the legs. Now put the right leg on the left thigh. Now you slowly lift up your both the legs. Now catch the outer leg and push down to your abdomen as far as possible. Head should be down on the floor. Feel the stretch on the thighs. Stay there for some moments. Relax the pose. Release both the legs straight. Very, very effective asanas. You will do now with the alternate leg. Again bend both the legs. Now put the other leg, the thigh. Lift up both the legs. Now catch with both the hands the outer leg at the knee position. Push it down to your abdomen. Stay there for some moments. Release the pose and relax yourself. Next, another variation of Pavan Muktasana series will do. You bend the legs, bend both the legs. Now lift up your right leg straight up. Now bend the toe towards you. Feel the whole stretch in the leg. Stay there for some moments. Relax the toe and drop down your leg. Drop down your leg. Make the leg straight. You'll do with the other leg. Bend both the legs again. Now lift the other leg straight up. Now bend from the toe as far as possible towards you. Feel the stretch in the whole leg. Relax the toe and drop down your leg. Straight both the legs. These are very, very effective asanas for your slip disc. Next we'll do Setu Bandha Asana. You bend both the legs. Hands by the sides of the body. Keep yourself very relaxed. Now slowly lift your middle portion of the body. Slowly lift up without any jerk. Slowly drop down your body and straighten your legs. This is called Setu Bandha Asana. Also very, very effective for any type of slip disc. Now we'll do some common pranayamas. which are very, very effective for any type of diseases. Pranayama are very powerful practices. First of the pranayama, we'll do Anulom Vilom Pranayama. You sit in a meditative posture, Sukhasana or Padmasana. Straighten your spinal cord, hands on the knees. Now you lift up your right hand and with the right thumb, close the right nostril. Inhale deeply from the left. Close the left. Exhale from the right. Now inhale deeply from the right. Close the right. Exhale from the left. Drop down your hands. Pranayama, you can do 5 rounds to 10 rounds as far as possible. Next of the pranayama, we'll do Brahmari Pranayama. So you sit straight, again in any meditative posture. Now you lift up your both the hands up with the thumbs. Close your ears with the fingers. Close your eyes. Now we inhale deeply. As we exhale, make the humming sound. Once more, you inhale deeply. Exhale. And you drop down your hands. It's called Brahmari Pranayama. Final of the pranayama, we'll do Omkar. In Omkar is very powerful pranayama. You will inhale deeply and while you exhale, you will make the Omkar sound. So you sit straight, again in any meditative posture, Padmasana or Sukhasana. Keep your spinal cord erect. Now you close your eyes, relax your body. Now inhale deeply. As we exhale, you make the Omkar sound. Once more, inhale deeply. As you exhale, you make the Omkar sound. So these are the various common asanas and pranayamas which are very, very effective for curing slip discs. Remember, during slip discs, you should never do any forward bending exercises or yoga asanas. You should always not lift any heavy objects. Keep your lifestyle very relaxed. Don't do any jerky things. Avoid eating spicy things. And if you do regular these exercises and pranayamas, you will shortly get very good results. Thank you very much.